This video is just a quick walkthrough on how I print my Sublimation t-shirts. So I'm printing on polyester shirts today, not cotton. And I already went ahead to print the design on Sublimation paper. And I set my machine to 400 degrees for 1 minute. So when I'm printing with my heat press, I like to use 2 sets of Teflon sheets to give my design extra protection. It doesn't take away from the heat that goes to the shirt. So, I just like to do that. I think it's best. And if you want more vibrant colors that are long lasting, I would recommend going for sublimation printing. And this, as I said before, works best with polyester t-shirts. So you can get it for the cotton t-shirts, but I think for sublimation, you get a more vibrant color when you're doing the sublimation on the polyester. All right, so you can see here how vibrant these colors are, long lasting. You won't have any issues when you put this in your washing machine. Definitely no issues at all. So if you like this type of printing, let me know in the comments, and if you have any questions, I'm happy to answer those.